Best 3 drinks to stop foamy urine and save your kidney. Have you ever noticed foamy or bubbly urine and wondered what it means? Is it something to worry about, or just a one-time issue? In many cases, it could be a sign that your kidneys are crying for help. Foamy urine can be a symptom of proteinuria, a condition where protein leaks into the urine, often due to kidney dysfunction. If ignored, it may lead to serious kidney damage over time. But here's the good news. Your body has an incredible ability to heal. And today, we're diving deep into the top 3 natural drinks that can help reduce foamy urine, protect your kidneys, and promote overall urinary tract health. Before we get started, I'd love to know where you are joining me from today. Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any question you have, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health-boosting tip from Healthcare One. Number 1. Barley water. Imagine waking up in the morning, heading to the bathroom, and noticing that your urine is unusually foamy. You didn't eat anything strange, and you're not dehydrated. What's going on? For many people, this subtle change is often ignored, but it can be a red flag, a sign that your kidneys are under stress and may be leaking protein. Now, before panic sets in, let me introduce you to a simple, ancient remedy that could help turn things around: barley water. Barley water might not sound glamorous, but don't let its simplicity fool you. This traditional drink has been used for centuries in cultures around the world to support kidney health and flush out toxins from the body. And today, it's making a powerful comeback, especially among those looking for natural, gentle ways to reduce foamy urine and restore kidney function. Let's start by understanding what makes barley so powerful. Barley is a humble grain packed with soluble fiber, antioxidants, B vitamins, and essential minerals like magnesium and selenium. When it's boiled into water, it releases a wave of nutrients that can soothe the kidneys, reduce inflammation, and support healthy urine flow. It's like giving your kidneys a spa day every day. One of the major reasons barley water is so helpful is because it acts as a natural diuretic. That means it helps you pee more? Yes, really. But that's actually a good thing. When you urinate more frequently, your body flushes out excess salts, toxins, and protein, which are often behind the formation of foamy urine. This gentle detox gives your kidneys a much-needed break, allowing them to heal and filter blood more efficiently. But that's just the beginning. Barley water is rich in beta-glucans, a type of fiber known for its ability to lower bad cholesterol and fight inflammation, a hidden but major culprit behind kidney damage. Inflammation in the glomeruli, your kidney's tiny filters, can make them leaky, allowing protein to slip through and cause foamy urine. Barley water works behind the scenes, calming this inflammation and helping your kidneys do their job the way nature intended. Here's another bonus. Barley water is incredibly hydrating. Dehydration is one of the sneakiest causes of foamy urine. When your urine is too concentrated, proteins become more visible and can foam up in the toilet. Barley water restores hydration at a deep cellular level. It helps your body maintain a smooth, clean flow of urine, which doesn't just reduce foaming, but also keeps your entire urinary system clear and comfortable. Let's talk minerals for a second. Barley water provides a natural dose of magnesium and potassium, both of which are important for regulating blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the biggest causes of kidney damage, and when the kidneys are under pressure, they become more likely to leak protein into the urine. By drinking barley water regularly, you're helping to balance your blood pressure naturally, reducing the strain on your kidneys and minimizing the risk of long-term damage. The best part? Barley water is easy to make. Just take about a quarter cup of barley grains, rinse them well, and boil them in 4 cups of water for about 30 to 40 minutes. Once it cools, strain the water, and it's ready to drink. You can enjoy it warm or cold. For flavor, consider adding a slice of lemon, a bit of honey, or even a pinch of cinnamon or ginger. Drink 2 to 3 cups throughout the day, especially between meals or on an empty stomach, for best results. Now, while barley water is generally very safe, it's worth noting that it does contain gluten, so it's not suitable for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Also, if you're on a low-potassium diet, common in late-stage kidney disease, consult your doctor before making it a daily habit. To wrap it all up, if you're looking for a natural, affordable, and time-tested way to reduce foamy urine and support kidney health, barley water is a gentle powerhouse. It hydrates, it heals, it detoxifies, and it asks for very little in return. Start sipping and let this ancient remedy guide your kidneys back to balance. Next, number 2. Cranberry juice. When we think of cranberry juice, the first thing that often comes to mind is urinary tract health. But beyond its reputation for preventing UTIs, cranberry juice also plays a significant role in supporting kidney health and potentially reducing the occurrence of foamy urine, especially when it's caused by underlying infections or early kidney stress. This small, vibrant red berry is more than just a tart addition to your morning drink. It's a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with bioactive compounds that directly benefit the urinary system. Foamy urine is often a sign of proteinuria, a condition where protein leaks into the urine due to damage in the kidney's filtration system. It may also be caused by urinary tract infections, dehydration, or high levels of waste in the bloodstream. This is where cranberry juice steps in with its unique healing properties. One of its primary active ingredients is proanthocyanidins, which are powerful antioxidants known to protect the lining of the urinary tract and the kidneys. These compounds create a protective layer on the walls of the bladder and urethra, making it harder for harmful bacteria to attach and cause infections. Infections can inflame the urinary tract and irritate the kidneys, leading to symptoms like foamy urine, pain during urination, and frequent urges to urinate. Cranberry juice, by preventing bacterial adhesion, reduces inflammation, lowers the risk of infection, and promotes cleaner, more efficient urine flow. This not only eases symptoms, but helps restore the integrity of the kidneys and bladder over time. Another benefit of cranberry juice is its natural acidity and diuretic properties. It encourages urination, which helps flush out toxins, excess salts, and proteins that may be accumulating in the urinary tract. The more frequently and fully you urinate, the more opportunities your body has to clear out waste and maintain a proper balance of fluids and electrolytes. This is especially important for people who are not drinking enough water. Concentrated urine is more likely to foam, and cranberry juice can help dilute and cleanse it effectively. Cranberry juice also contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and protect kidney tissues from damage caused by free radicals. Chronic oxidative stress is one of the hidden contributors to declining kidney function and can trigger leakage of protein into the urine. Regular consumption of cranberry juice helps neutralize these damaging compounds and supports kidney cell regeneration. However, it's important to choose the right kind of cranberry juice. Many commercially available juices are filled with added sugars and artificial flavors, which can be harmful to both kidney and metabolic health. For maximum benefit, opt for 100% pure, unsweetened cranberry juice, or consider diluting it with water to reduce tartness while preserving its therapeutic effects. You can also mix it with lemon water or herbal teas for a powerful kidney-friendly blend. It's also worth noting that cranberry juice is not a one-size-fits-all remedy. Those who are prone to kidney stones, especially calcium oxalate stones, should moderate their cranberry intake, as cranberries are naturally high in oxalates. Still, for most people, moderate daily consumption, around 4 to 8 ounces of pure juice, is both safe and effective as part of a kidney health regimen. In conclusion, cranberry juice is much more than a UTI prevention drink. It's a natural anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant-rich elixir that supports urinary tract health and helps minimize protein leakage into the urine. By protecting the bladder, cleansing the kidneys, and encouraging proper hydration, cranberry juice can play a powerful role in reducing foamy urine and maintaining healthy kidney function. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to care for your kidneys naturally, cranberry juice is a smart and scientifically supported choice. Number 3. Coconut water. In the world of natural remedies, coconut water is often celebrated as the ultimate hydrating drink, but its benefits go far beyond quenching thirst. For those experiencing foamy urine, which can signal kidney stress, mild proteinuria, or even early signs of chronic kidney disease, coconut water offers a simple yet powerful solution. It's not just a tropical refreshment. It's a functional drink that works with your body to heal, hydrate, and detoxify your kidneys. Foamy urine can arise from several underlying causes: dehydration, protein loss through the urine, urinary tract infections, or kidney inflammation. One of the simplest and most effective ways to combat this is to stay well hydrated, and coconut water excels in this area. Unlike plain water, coconut water is naturally enriched with electrolytes, especially potassium and magnesium, which help maintain proper fluid balance and support the kidney's filtration process. When your body is properly hydrated, urine becomes more diluted, which reduces its foaminess and eases the workload on your kidneys. Beyond hydration, coconut water acts as a gentle diuretic, encouraging regular urination and flushing out toxins, excess salts, and even small kidney stones. This helps cleanse the urinary tract, supports smooth urine flow, and minimizes the concentration of proteins or waste products that might otherwise cause foaming. It's a way of giving your kidneys a little break while enhancing their natural function. Another major benefit of coconut water lies in its ability to regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage, and damaged kidneys often allow protein to leak into the urine. Thanks to its rich potassium content, coconut water helps relax blood vessels, lower tension, and stabilize blood pressure levels naturally. This makes it especially helpful for people with hypertension-related kidney stress or early-stage proteinuria. Coconut water also contains cytokinins and L-arginine, plant compounds that have shown anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties in scientific studies. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys, which plays a big role in kidney cell damage and glomerular dysfunction. By lowering inflammation, coconut water supports healing at a cellular level, helping protect and regenerate kidney tissues over time. To get the full benefit, it's important to consume pure, fresh coconut water, preferably from a young green coconut, or from a store-bought brand with no added sugars or preservatives. A good daily dose is around 200 to 300 milliliters, one small glass, preferably taken on an empty stomach in the morning or between meals to support detoxification. In short, coconut water is more than just a trendy drink. It's a natural kidney tonic that supports hydration, detoxification, blood pressure balance, and anti-inflammatory action. If you're noticing persistent foamy urine, adding coconut water to your daily routine could be a simple but meaningful step toward restoring your kidney health and achieving a cleaner, clearer urinary system. So there you have it, 3 powerful, natural drinks that not only reduce foamy urine but also promote healthier kidneys, improve urine output, and reduce inflammation. But remember, while these drinks are natural, consistency is key. Combine them with a low-sodium, low-protein diet, regular hydration, and medical monitoring if needed. If foamy urine persists, always consult a doctor. It may indicate underlying kidney or metabolic issues.